Hello everyone, welcome back on Spices and More. Hope we all are doing good, staying safe and staying happy. So today I got for you one delicious and very healthy corn and carrot soup. It's very easy to prepare and this soup will be relished by kids also. So let's start with the recipe and see the ingredients. Here I have heated a pan and I added about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any other oil, but please avoid the strong smelling oils. Next I am adding 3 to 4 garlic roughly chopped. In goes 1 medium sized onion, again roughly sliced. Saute it for a while until the onion becomes translucent. I've chopped it roughly because we are going to make puree out of it later. Next I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. This will give thickness to the soup and this is very healthy as compared to any other nuts. Saute it for a while. If you don't have pumpkin seeds, you can always add cashew nuts. Now as you can see, the onion has cooked properly. Next I will be adding 1 tomato and 1 carrot which I have pressure cooked for about 2 whistles. And don't discard the water, we will need it later on. Just saute it for 1 or 2 seconds. Now all the ingredients have cooked properly. We need to grind this once it cools down. Make a fine puree out of it. Again heat a pan with little butter. You can avoid the butter and add oil as well. But adding butter will enhance the flavor and the taste of the soup. Let the butter melt completely. Keep the flame on low to medium or else the butter might burn. Now as you can see, the butter have melted completely. At this point I will be adding 1 bay leaf and 1/4 cup of frozen corns. You can add fresh corns also if you have. Give it a stir. Since it's frozen corn, it cooks very fast. If it is fresh corn, you need to boil it, make them soft and then add it. Now the corns are soft. At this point I'll be adding in the ground puree of tomato and carrot. It need to be very fine because we are making soup out of it. Give it a mix. I added leftover water from the tomato and the carrot. And I'll remove all the leftover from the mixer grinder, add it into the soup, give it a mix, combine it very well. Now here you can adjust the thickness and the consistency as per your preferences. You can add more water as well. Next I'll be adding in Knorr vegetable stock. I added little as it is too salty and then adjust the salt accordingly. Just taste and see before adding the salt. Because vegetable salt itself has is very salty, so you need to adjust. Give it a stir. Now after one boil, I'll be adding 1/4 to half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Again give it a mix. This soup is very easy and very quick to be prepared. Even kids loves it. so please give it a try. And our carrot and corn soup is ready to be served. I want this much consistency. If you want the soup to be more thinner, you can add hot water, but please don't add cold water. This is perfect for me and my family. I'll stop cooking it further. Remove it in one bowl. Enjoy it with garlic bread or with simple bread. Isn't it very easy and very delicious soup recipe? Please give it a try. Let me know your review in a comment section below. And yes, I'm topping it with little cream. Now this is optional. If you want, you can add the cream or just enjoy it itself. Let me know your review in a comment section below. I will love to hear it from you. Like this recipe. Share this recipe with your loved ones. See you in my next interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.